What's up? It's Keith Kalfas, Saturday Quotes, and this is about a $6,000 landscape job I'm quoting right now, and I'm thinking about doing a Saturday series, quotes, Saturday quotes. Why not? I'm already doing it anyways. So, all right, this customer's house was built, and all this needs to be gutted out. There's all these volunteer plants and crazy stuff growing. So cut this all the way down to dirt. Put down thick felt weed barrier fabric. Then a nice thick 4 inches of mulch. Now the customer wants, we're gonna put 10 arborvitaes back here. We're doing time and materials. This one's gonna be $1,200 a day times 3 days, $3,600 there, plus mulch at $120 per yard, which I'm marking it up and adding that. So 9 yards of mulch is $1,080. So what's that? 24, 36, 46, 46.80. Plus 10 arborvitaes at $100 a piece. It's $1,000. That's $56.80. That's done in the back. Coming around to the front, this customer wants all this turned into black mulch. Everything trimmed and cleaned up, which is included in what we're talking about. And then this Cleveland pear tree, it looks like a Cleveland pear. It's too close. It was planted too close to the house. That's right by the gutter. We're gonna pull it out, transplant it, pop, and put it right over there. Pop. And then some garden wall border stone that kind of matches this brick, same color, but not mortared into place. So we're gonna dig a trench, put down some limestone and some slag, and just level everything out and put it into place naturally so it's all touching. Let me know in the comments below if you're a construction expert, if that's what you would do, because I'll do something different if you suggest it. So with the materials on that, we're gonna jump right in at $6,000 plus mulching that. I think this will be a a 3-day job. You in the comments, you're like, I could do that in 1 day. All you need is 12 guys, a dingle, a loader, a skid steer, and a crane. You love it. You love it in the comments when you can do something faster or better. You just want to, I can do it better. Better. So anyways, all right, so I've got that documented. Now I Voxer secretary all the details, send the video to secretary. We go back and forth over the details, and she makes all the line items, and we figure out what it's going to be. I'm thinking with the cost of the weed barrier felt, I'm going to have to throw a couple $100 in there, and box of pins. It might come up to $6,400 in 3 days. So what I'm looking at is a 50% profit margin. So if I figure out all the labor and materials right now, we're at 1 second. Plus dumping 25 max. Oh yeah, all the arborvitaes. 35, 3,600. Ooh, what's 3,600 times 2? Well, it's easy. It's 7,200, right? So 7,200. I thought it was gonna be $6,000. It's gonna be 7,200. That's what it's gonna be. So okay, that's what it is. Let me know if you want me to do Saturday quotes with Keith Kalfas. I lost my keys and I have to get here to the next quote. Look at this. 3 pairs of Bluetooths, and I got another pair in the house, and I gave a pair away. Can't be without my Bluetooths, man. All right, my friend. What else? There's so much stuff I want to share with you. That's why I started the Untrapped podcast. I need to sit down and do like just a straight up 2-hour-long podcast and make a list and share all types of updates. There's lots of stuff that I don't want to put all in this video right now, my friend. All right, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up. Check out in the link below. There's playlists. If you're new to my channel, all types of episode landscaping series. And if you're brand new in the landscaping business, I have a free 3-video series, how to start a landscaping business. I'll put a link below. I'll say 3 free video series. Check it out. It's awesome, I promise you. And then, check out HouseCall Pro. HouseCall Pro is an app. It's a software that you could run your entire business on. You can notify your clients that they're on your way. You can collect money. You can send estimates and invoices. You can GPS, navigate, run routes and crews, all of it on HouseCall Pro. You can get the first month for only $19 through my link, housecallpro.com/Keith K. And I'll put a link in the description below. Ching, it's gonna be awesome. Check it out. And then I have a brand new online course that just came out called the Marketing ROI online course. It's keithk.com/ROI. If you want to learn how to market your business and get your phone to ring off the hook, you got to check out this course. Not only me teaching everything I've learned inside of the course, but tons of stuff from other experts inside of our industry, just dropping beautiful information. It took me a long time to put all this together. It's my new course called the Marketing ROI. I'll put a link in the description below. It says Marketing ROI, keithk.com, keithkalfas.com/ROI. I gotta go, man. I can't wait to get to the point where I could just hire someone to videotape me, like follow me around with Tony Robbins, just edit the stuff, dog. It's crazy.